Oh, well, Heim's in the lead. Oh, 52 almost got killed by the fucking 77 Osavar.
They're going to try their best here coming to 2 to go to kind of gang up on the one, and it'll be interesting to see when do they want to time this run of trying to get by the one.
So Kyle Busch back to 5th now. Does he have time?
Here comes birthday boy on the 99. Oh, Lord. Oh, good Lord. Oh, here comes Kyle Busch. Holy shit. Oh, no, almost gets turned. Oh, my goodness.
Well, we see the whole top checked up because they saw Ben Rhodes trying to get to the outside of Corey Heim. He was almost there, and it checked up the whole top lane. Kyle Busch saw the opportunity.
Hosavar. Hey, buddy. First style teammate. Uh-oh.
Final lap of stage
Uh-oh.
We got teammates on the bottom. Carson Hosavar right behind Kyle Busch.
Oh, 99's loose as hell. Hosavar is most likely going to get to him on the back stretch. Oh, my god. Well, never mind. The 99's fucking flying. Bam. Corey Heim's going to win the stage. Hosavar's fucking turned the 99. Now, why the fuck doesn't he have a full-time ride this season? I mean, that truck's, the front of it's kind of killed.